Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove part of image in Photopea software. So let's started. At first, open your Photopea software. Now you can see remove part of a picture in Photopea. Now going to the file menu option. Then click. Now click from open and place option. Now select from picture. Now click for open. Now you can see then it show the picture. Now resize the picture. Now click from confirm option. Now delete part of picture. Now we go into the tool option. Now select from rectangle, select. Now select from part of picture and click mark. Now click from now keyboard press from backspace. That it's. Now you can see. Now you go into the again move tool. Now you can see then we remove the part of picture in Photopea software is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.